sweetie. Look at this cute onesie. Look at this. It's like... Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Look at that, a marshmallow and a little campfire. Wow. What is this? Get used to this. This is a camera. Oh, yes. Your sister got used to it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I take lots of pictures and lots of video. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Boo. Wow, you're... Oh! Are you okay? Oh, it's okay, sweetie. Did I scare you? I didn't mean to. It's okay, sweetie. You're okay. You're okay. Hi. Hi. You were just giggling earlier. Oh my gosh, I just accidentally scared you so bad. Are you okay? Yes, you're okay. Hi, sweetie. You want to talk? Are you going to talk? Are you going to talk? All right, here comes Stella. You only do this when Mommy's here, right? Mm-hmm. Be careful. Slow. Now sit down when you're in there with Tucker. Thank you. Hey, 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 hey. No, no, no.
Mama, here.
No, you don't go around him. You want to lay next to him? Oh, he's talking. You can go next to him. Here.
Mommy, no, Mommy, sit back. Mommy.
Uh-huh. Stella, what's this?
Hat.
What is that?
No hat.
Hat?
Hat.
A heart or hat?
Hat.
It's a marshmallow.
Hat.
You gonna lay next to him? Here. There you go. No, I said don't go around him. No. There you go. Oh, you love your brother? You love your brother? Okay, that's enough. Gotta